Hey guys, it's Jarrett here, and today we're going to be reacting to 30 scary videos recorded by a Ring doorbell camera by narrator Chills. I apologize, guys. I haven't been uploading as much. I've been busy the last 2 days, so yeah. If you guys understand, then that's what it was. But yeah, now it's time to get the reactions back on track and videos back on poppin'. Let's go.
Coming up in this video, Ring isn't just for security. The technology has also been known to capture some of the creepiest and most downright terrifying things known to man. These are 30 scary videos recorded by Ring doorbell camera. Number 30, Good Samaritan. Too many of these videos are full of bad people, so seek solace in this video of a Good Samaritan in California. This man was out jogging when he noticed smoke coming from a house. The man is captured ringing the Ring doorbell to make sure no one is inside.
Hello? Yeah, there's smoke. Yeah.
Is he trying to break in the house? Who knows what this guy's gonna do?
You can't hear the homeowner's audio clearly, but she is not home. Unfortunately, her dogs are. She asks the jogger to see if he can get them out. Without hesitation, he does.
Did this guy just break in her house?
He is seen entering the house and leaving with the dog. The pup's life was undoubtedly saved by the kind jogger.
Oh, it's a kind guy. Okay.
Other scary videos, in my opinion, so was my faith in humanity. Number 29, a parent taking. What would you do if you heard this horrifying scream in the middle of the night? YouTube channel KCAL News shares this video, originally sourced by Ring. A woman can be heard screaming for help while her neighbor stands on her doorstep, wondering what's going on.
What the fuck? This sounds like some straight up kidnapping.
A white hatchback then drives off with a screaming woman inside.
I would chase that motherfucker down.
According to the description, the police searched out more Ring doorbell footage to try and identify the suspects. At the point of this news story, they were unsure whether this incident is a domestic dispute or something else, but witnesses say that it seemed like the woman was battling for her life, and the driver wouldn't let her leave the vehicle. I couldn't find any information about this footage, so unfortunately, I don't know if they were able to catch the culprit, but the victim's screams are chilling. I just hope she wasn't harmed. Number 28, elevator incident. This dog is about to get stuck between a rock and a hard place. Luckily, a hero is standing by. The leashed pup exits the elevator on the wrong floor and fails to re-enter before the elevator door shuts and takes off again.
Oh, damn. Yeah, guys, that dog would have been fucking... Luckily, this guy was able to save that pup.
The dog could have had its life ended from this scary incident if this officer didn't act fast. His quick action surely saved this dog's life. Number 27, neighbor request. When your next door neighbor rings your doorbell, you don't expect this type of confrontation. YouTuber Domzilla shares this video that has me on the fence.
Hi, how you doing? I was looking at a chance to talk about those cameras in the back. By the pool.
What the fuck is this guy's deal?
I was wondering if we could discuss those cameras that are pointing towards our house.
The man claims that this homeowner cannot have cameras pointing toward his backyard, although the homeowner is monitoring their own swimming pool.
No, I'm telling them because the cameras are pointing to my house and I have young kids. Why don't you have them on the other side pointing towards your house?
Just tell him to fuck off.
According to the homeowner, she did call the police, and they told her there are no laws about security cameras around one's house. A moment later, the woman's partner gets on the doorbell and tries to interject, but neither of them seem to hear him.
I do know, man. The camera.
Hello? Hey! Hello? 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 Hello?
Do you think the man's request was reasonable? Who do you think escalated the situation to its confrontational state? I certainly think.
Sorry about that, guys. I got flies, and that's why I looked back.
But nevertheless, neighborly disputes are never fun, and I hope this one could eventually be amicably resolved. Number 26. Needs 50. A stranger approaches your door.
Oh my God.
50. I assume that means $50. What would you do?
Somebody came.
I need you, big dog, boy. Look here. Boy, I need you bad, man. I need about 50, man.
YouTuber Doorbell Spy shares this strange.
This guy looks
video
fucking
of an
creepy.
almost incomprehensible request.
I mean, me waiting to see what I come up with. I said, let me go see boss.
If somebody came on my front porch asking for $50, I would be like, get the fuck off my dick.
You don't do that for me, dog.
Find you a job.
Man, it's too late, man, in the night, man. Man, you got too late.
The stranger reassures him that it's not too late,
Dog, this don't speak, man. I ain't you back.
but the homeowner will not be persuaded.
Man, get off my boards, man. Get off my boards, man. Here we go.
Look at this fucking creep.
Man, come on out here and talk to me, man.
The unwanted visitor is undoubtedly on something, and I can't imagine a better PSA for not trying whatever he's on. Number 25, stalks.
Yeah, it's crazy. If someone came to my front door asking for $50, I'd be like, get your ass off of my fucking porch. It's fucking late at night and you're asking for $50. Go find you a job, boy.
Is this person and their child being stalked? YouTuber Rubicon Master shares this terrifying footage, hoping it's a prank. The video shows an adult and a child walking down a sidewalk at night. A car is driving slowly behind them.
Oh, hell no. I would get my fucking ass out of there.
Which is a truck parked at the side of the road. They duck down as if to hide from the strange vehicle. The car slows to a stop. Unfortunately, the uploader says this is where the Ring camera cuts off. The uploader suggests that this may be a prank.
Yeah, it may be a prank or it may be some, like, actual person trying to kidnap a little girl. For nothing.
But it looks incredibly suspicious to me. Number 24. I know you're home. A stranger in Anchorage, Alaska seems to be at the wrong house, and yet she is intent on disabling the Ring doorbell. YouTube channel Doorbell News shares this footage of someone.
This motherfucker has a
head.
knife.
I know you're home.
What gives this woman possession?
The reason I put Legion on a license plate Lamborghini is because.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can.
After covering the camera, she breaks out her tools, but she does.
Alright guys, well I'm going to end the reaction here. This screen record only has like a certain amount of time, so yeah. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and yeah. Here sometime I might do a Angry Grandma reaction, or just something else. Or I might do a another Chills reaction, but yeah. This is the only one I have for tonight, and if I had more unlimited storage I would do it, so yeah. Yeah. Peace.